In this problem, we want to solve for the indicated variable. So we got y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. And we're solving for x. Now we're going to go through our 5 steps. Now our first step says to get rid of parentheses. We do this via the distributive property. So we're going to take this m and multiply it times the x and times the x sub 1. Now there's nothing exciting you do when you have different variables when you're multiplying them together. You just put them right next to each other. So we'll have mx minus mx sub 1. Now step 2, get rid of fractions. We don't have any. Step 3, get everything with the variable we're solving for on one side, everything else on the other side. We're solving for x. Now x is different than x sub 1, so keep that in mind. I'm going to take this negative m x sub 1 and take that over to the left side. So I'm going to have y minus y sub 1 plus m x sub 1. Remember, when you take anything across equals, the sign changes. So the negative m x sub 1 becomes a positive m x sub 1. Step 4, if the variable you're solving for is in 2 or more terms, factor it out. Terms are separated by pluses and minuses, so the x is only in one term. Step 5, divide both sides by what's in front of / back of the variable we're solving for. We're solving for x, and there's an m in front of it. So we're going to divide both sides by m. So we'll divide the left side by m, and we'll divide this by m. And over here the m's cancel. And we got x is equal to y minus y1 plus mx1 over m. And that's our answer.